Look at that forehead, y'all. Big head. That's another reason why I'm dyeing my hair. If y'all want to know why I'm dyeing my hair, I'm dyeing my hair because my forehead big. It's big. Big head. And I feel like the color that I'm trying to get, I feel like it's going to go good with my skin. It's not going to make the head look as big. Big head. They should have got them one size fit all. Damn, damaging clothes. Should I do the lip now? Look at my face. Don't try this at home. I look stupid. Now it's starting to look like a horror movie. Help us. Help us. He killed them. He killed them all. He killed them all. How did you escape? I gave you. I'm just put all in there. Every last drop. Get that money's worth. Money, money, money. Get that money's worth. Drum roll, please. So you think it's working? All right, I think it's working. So, what's up, y'all? It's your boy. What's up, guys? It's your boy Trey. Welcome back to my channel. So today, cotton mouth. So today, so in today's video, I'm going to be dyeing my hair, y'all. So I'm going to be dyeing it this color. I got a dark and lovely dye. I don't understand why I got this dye. I just felt like, cause you know, it was for the black and brown. You feel me? So I got it for that reason, and because I feel like it take better with darker hair. I mean, either way, I feel like Revlon or whatever L'Oreal white versions, I feel like those work as well. I've gotten like a Dollar Tree version, and it was like this white lady on it, and it took my hair very well, and it took it from black to whatever color I was trying to get. It was $1 from the Dollar Tree. So yeah, but let me not advertise that. In this video, I'm going to be using Dark and Lovely. So Dark and Lovely is a good brand. To me, it's an excellent brand for black and brown people. There you go. Look at that forehead, y'all. Big head. That's another reason why I'm dyeing my hair. If y'all want to know why I'm dyeing my hair, I'm dyeing my hair because my forehead big. It's big. Big head. And I feel like the color that I'm trying to get, I feel like it's going to go good with my skin. It's not going to make the head look as big. Big head. I probably like a thumb after that. That's just me. I don't know. It's going to be a, I guess, a tutorial. I got ways for people that don't know. For people that don't know, I know you see a little receding in the corners. You in my business. Don't do that. I know you see a little receding and a little balding right here, but at the end of the day, don't judge me. Don't do that. You feel me? I don't even know what the title of the video even gonna be. I can't believe I'm doing this on camera. I'm low-key kind of nervous though. Like, let me tell y'all. So I'm dyeing my hair and my beard. Usually I'm ratchet, but I'm gonna try to be professional in this video because you never know. I might get a job. You feel me? Might get a job on them. Dark and Lovely. Hopefully you look out for a brother. I'm gonna try to do my best. I forgot the grease. I'm starting off ratchet because this ain't. I can't find my grease. All right, so I'm gonna put this. See that? Nice and oily on. Let me stop fronting. Y'all didn't come here for no hassa-diddy. Y'all came here for the ratchet. Like, since I'm doing my facial hair, I should do the same thing. Now we're gonna read the instructions, because y'all know men never read, so I'm gonna read it. You won't downplay this black band. Okay, they should have got them one size fit all. Dr. Niazi, and I come to do the procedure. There we go. Oh, I'm doing a hair tutorial. Oh, I'm doing a hair tutorial. Can't mess with me. I just realized that I'm doing a hair tutorial. Can't mess with me. Can't mess with me. I just realized that. Like, I just was like, oh snap, I'm doing a hair tutorial. Oh, them Jones be going viral. I need to be able to be like, oh, I want him to work in my salon. I did that one good time. I'll work here. Read the instructions. Oh, we got some. We got some. Is that this? Is it the conditioner? Yep. Oh, okay. Oh. They say shake it. Shake it, baby. I don't even know if that's the song. It's probably not even the song. It's embarrassing. So now, I'm going, damn, I need a mirror. All right, so we're going to try to move this. No, we're not. We're going to leave that right there. I'm going to step back here. Y'all still see me? You see me? I'm going to try to get it at the top first. Ooh, damn. Ooh, damn. Oh, hell to the no. Oh, hell to the no. I'm so messy. Okay, maybe I need two hands. One for the front, one for the back. I need two hands. One for the east, one for the west. Okay, so here we go. Well, like a stud. So, okay. Get in the beard if you want to. Why not? Just get in the beard. Come on. Why not? You might as well just get in the beard too. Ooh, it's strong. So we're gonna do it the first time and see how it turned out, and if it need a second time, we'll do. Ooh. Okay, now it's kissing me. Oh, now it's getting intimate. You little die, you. Okay. Ooh, how long we gotta wait? I ain't even look at the time. Oh, hold on.
Do you know you have 30 minutes?
30 minutes? $40?
$40.
30 minutes?
30.
Oh my gosh. On my face?
Yes.
Is that even safe?
Yes.
30. Cause I think that's sexy. Yeah. That right there is an asset. That's sexy. Damn, damaging clothes. Should I do the lip now? Look at my face. Don't try this at home. I look stupid. Holla at y'all later. It was delicious. I ate it all. Let me go. Gotta watch this off. Turn this off on me. Turn it off. Press the red button. Alright, so this is how I look. This is how I look right now. So I gotta wait 30 minutes for it. Is it in my mouth? I could taste it. Maybe because I'm breathing it in. I wish I could breathe it another way. Oh, I'm looking like somebody. No, alright, so I'll be back in 30, y'all. 30. I've become it. Let me stop. Alright, so as you can see, it came in a little bit, but that's not enough for me. I'm about to redo it. The beard don't like it came in at all, y'all. So I don't know if you gotta bleach the beard. I'll probably do that next video. I figured out my subscribers' name. You know, people got like the whatever gang, the whatever squad, whatever mafia. We are not the Trey Gang. The Trey Gang. That was kind of corny. Let me try it again. Not the Trey Gang. The Trey Gang. Oh, not the train. That ain't embarrassing. These is the secret formula to create the power of good. No, I'm stopping. Shake it up, baby. Swish it, swish it. Come on, shake it up, baby. Now shake it up, baby. I'm gonna work it out. Work it out. Oh yeah, but if y'all like my video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and definitely hit the notification bell. Like, comment, and subscribe. Definitely hit that notification bell. Yeah. Let me stop. That's embarrassing. But oh, he handsome and he funny. Let me stop. There we go. Oh, look, busting through. Dr. Niazi. Get them sides. There we go. No spilling. We don't want no spilling. Alright, now I'm about to focus on this beard and this beard only. Alright. Oh, it's strong. It's art time. No, I'm gonna stop. I am a warrior. And when I think, I must speak. Ah! Alright, let me see if everything's good down. Now it's starting to look like a horror movie. Help us. Help us. He killed them. He killed them all. He killed them all. How did you escape? I escaped. Oh gosh, it's pouring down. It's raining. It's pouring. Cause this is pouring. There we go. We got it nice and saturated. Do you hear that? It's an ASMR. Nice and saturated. That's the dye. Let me stop. I'm wilding in this video. Wow. Let me just put it all in there. Every last drop. Get that money's worth. Money. Get that money's worth. Okay. Damn, this one was messier than the last one. Okay. 30 more minutes, y'all. I'll be back in 30. Oh, how am I turn it off? Did it turn off? No, it didn't turn off. Alright, no. Alright, so this may look ridiculous, but this is how I'm keeping it from dripping down my neck. This how I look. Throw me on some money. I hope y'all like my video. Y'all probably ain't like it. I hope it didn't go viral. Hopefully it go viral. If the video don't go viral, I understand. It was too ratchet. Society ain't want to accept me for who I am. Take me for who I am. Gang. Oh. No, I'm stop. Alright, so at this part of the video, to be honest, I'm tired. So I'm about to go watch it out. And we're about to see what the results look like now. So I'll be right back. Here's the big reveal. You know I had to be all dramatic. I'm a Virgo. You know I had to be dramatic. If you watch this video to the end, I need you to comment below where you're from, because I want everybody to comment below where they're from. I want you to tell me your favorite part of the video. Drum roll, please. Boom. Alright, there we go. Alright, so we got the beard. Alright, the beard wasn't that fantastic. Let's just go ahead with the hair. This how it turned out. What y'all think? Hold on. Can y'all really see it? I think it's, ooh, okay, light, come through, light. Oh, light coming through. Okay, y'all like that. Oh, y'all like that. Drip, drip, came through dripping, drip, drip. Okay, light, come through. All right, so here go a better view, y'all. I try to get, and you see the hair. You see that? Drip, came through, drippy. Skin glow. You see that glow? The ring light all in the way. Okay. Come through, light. Okay. If you like my video, y'all, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and definitely hit the notification bell. I'm hype. I think it turned out right. Thank you, Dark and Lovely. He was dope. So, other than that, I don't know what to say because I'm too stuck up to keep up. So, keep up with Trey. The Trey Gang. The Trey Gang. Embarrassing, y'all. People can see me. But, yeah, look at me. Oh, drip. Oh, ooh. That's me. That's me. Drip. Oh, yes. But don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and definitely hit the notification bell. If y'all like my video, don't forget to like other videos, comment on other videos, check out other videos, y'all. I'm funny, I try to be lit. This is my first hair tutorial, and I'm hyped. I thought I was lit. Gang, 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 gang. I don't know, but yeah, I think it turned out great. I love it, and yeah. Comment below if y'all want to see more hair tutorials. Comment below if y'all want to see more how-to-dos. I got a whole playlist of how-to-dos. Check those out, y'all. Those are very hilarious. I got like at least 10 videos of how-to-dos, whatever, and y'all know I be lit. I be And other than that, y'all, I'm about to go. Gotta edit this video. And if I got a baby in the back, I know that's jab embarrassing, but look at me. Oh my gosh, look at me. Now, other than that, y'all, thank y'all so much for coming to my channel. And yeah, I just make videos and just be tripping. But yeah, y'all, check me out. Love y'all. Thank y'all so much. Don't forget, you're a part of the Trey Gang. Don't forget to share me on Instagram, Facebook, all your social media platforms. Turn me into gifts, turn me into memes, make fan pages about me, y'all. I don't care what y'all do. Just promote me, promote me, promote me. Let it manifest, let it manifest, let it manifest. Bro, because I'm trying to get it. I don't understand why I don't have 1 million subscribers. I don't understand why I don't get over 100,000 and thousands of views. I deserve it. But thank y'all so much for coming to my channel, y'all. And I love the color. I hope y'all like it. Y'all like it? Oh, look at that. Over and out.
No matter what, shut it ready.